Hello guys, today we learn about AUTOCAD software. So, in AutoCAD software, who was invented the AutoCAD software? Johnny Walker was invented the AutoCAD software. The company was foundation in 1982. The first version is the AutoCAD. First version is the AutoCAD. Uh, Here we can draw the in 2D. We can draw the 2D and 3D visibles, and in AutoCAD we can draw easily. We can draw the all using the commands and using the command. What is the full form of AutoCAD? Automatical computer AD design. We can. This is the full form of AutoCAD. The many Autodesk Foundation in 1982 of Johnny Walker. He and other 15 co-foundations invited to the develop to five different desk automatical applications in the AutoCAD. Now we can update version. We get the update version that is known as Autodesk. Autodesk was foundation in 1982 by computer programming and enterpriser Johnny Walker. We can define what is the organ of a drawing. Define a view organic and by the default the organ of the draw view in the center of the outlines. Its outlines. Okay. First of all, we open the AutoCAD file. Click on the AutoCAD, and this is the 16th version, 2016 version in AutoCAD. So we will wait for the loading. This is the structure of the AutoCAD, and first of all we should select the open patch or select here. We can easily we can get it like this, and this is all we select the commands. This is the limit. First of all you will select the limits. We get it the limits. This is known as the we want to 0 comma 0, and this is the specific point of the second, which will be changing as your object, which can be replaced, which we can see in the monitor only. 1000 comma 1000, enter it. We can see here this point, L, enter, escape it. Commands will be escape it, L, enter, line. Here this point to this point, we can see here in only we can see here, only we can see thus on screen. This is the arch. We can see here arch, and this is the move, which can be object can be move the direction here, one place to another place. This is known as move. And this is the copy, which can be which is the selected, and Control C. Click on Control C, and here we can select the another point, and here Control V. we can select here this where you want to can paste it here. And this is the rotate, which is the direction. We can change the directions, which known as rotate. And this is the mirror. This is the mirror. We can change as the mirror point. Here we can see here rotating. This is the mirror. And click on again here. Otherwise, we say in the comments we can two types of comments available. Directly we can click here. Otherwise, you first select here. Otherwise, here types of comments will be there. We can write. We can enter it. Enter means is we get the specific point of line, and here we should add it here this one point to this one point. Here we can get it the line, and this is a home insert home tools, and this is the inserter. We can plan it the edit variables. Some tools are available here, so etc. And these are the tools of we can use it. And this is the dimension. Which dimension here we can see here the dimension of this end point. We can see here in mm will be coming here. Here this is the mm of the diameter. Here we can draw the here L means the line, L enter means the line. We can see here this point to this point. This is the line. And in C command, C enter means circle. We can draw the circle here. And PL means polyline. Polyline, PL means. PL. This is the polyline, and escape it. Here REC means rectangle. This is the rectangle. POL means polygon. In polygon size, we select the sizes. How many size you want? 6 or 5. Here we can change as 6 size I want. Enter. And this is the specific line, specific point. How many we want the sizes of the. I want a 50 mm, and click on enter it. Here we should select the circle point, and here insert the circle. Here we can change as a like this. We can change. This is the 6 sides of the. I was selected only 6 sides, so I wanted the 6 edges here. We call it the 6 edges. And this is the next command was ARC. It is known as the arc. And click on enter and select the center. Here my select center, and this is my arch. Here we can see here. This is my arch. And next thing, next command was ellipse. ELL. We get the ellipse, and we can here like this. We can change the here. You can see here ellipse was like this. We get the ellipse. And next thing, next command was REG, means region. Click on REG region. Select the object and the next command was SIVO. SIVO means copy. Here click on the commands, and SIVO is a copy. We select the object and control paste it the control V here, and we can see here. First of all, escape it and see SIVO is copy. You can change as SIVO is a copied, and click here and select the object and select the specific point where you want to select here. I want here. Here we can see. We select the object. First of all, we select the object and click on Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Here we get the copied, and click on your where you should paste the ellipse, and we should I was selected ellipse, so where you should select the object, you can easily paste it here. Here trim, we should TR enter and select the object and enter it. We can easily trim here like this. We can trim here. TR enter. Like this we can trim here. And escape it. Why should we use a trim? Means we should also select here and simply delete. In between the circle we should delete the lines, so that's why we using the trim option. First of all, we select the commands. This is the limit. First of all, you select the limits. You get it the limits. is known as the we we want to 0 0 comma 0. And this is the specific point of the second, which will be changing as your object, which can be replaced, which we can see in the monitor only. 1000 comma 1000. Enter. We can see here. We can see here this point. L enter. Escape it. Comments will be escape it. L enter line. Here this point to this point. We can see here. In only we can see here. Only we can see the on screen.